Rainbow premium workmanship and high-quality replacement, in-cell technology LCD screen. 550 CD/1:1 original size. High color saturation, high brightness, ultra-wide field, high resolution, 3D touch, and fast response. Water dripping and splashing resistance. Anti-oil, anti-fingerprint, make your phone look as clean as new. High strength to resist sharp objects, avoid scratches, explosion-proof, reduce the risk of broken screen. Super smooth and sensitive touch, more fluid experience, perfect feeling, mobile phone with Aero compatibility and application. The iPhone 11 LCD screen replacement is only fit for iPhone 11, 6.1 inch. Compatible with model A2111, A2223, A2221. Not suitable for iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR. It doesn't include front camera, earpiece, and sensors components, so please transfer them from your old screen. With full perspective, wide color gamut, you can use it with sunglasses. Using to replace the defective screen-like display problem, wrong color issue, distortion pixel, cracked or dead LCD snowman without snow. Easy to install and tutorial manual. The iPhone 11 LCD screen replacement kit includes all things you will need during repairing. You only need to remove other parts from original screen to new screen. You can install it according to the user manual provided in the package or the video on details page. The installation video also will be sent to you soon after you